Okay, so we got this situation. In how many ways the word arrange can be arranged without altering relative position of vowels and consonants? Means you have to arrange the letters of the word arrange, okay, but you have to make sure that you did not change the relative position of vowels and consonant. Means the place which is occupied for vowels will be taken by vowels only, and so as with consonants. Now look at this. I will give you one example. Suppose that there is three numbers 1, 2 and 3. So using these three numbers we can create how many numbers? Okay. So look at this. Can I go with 1, 2, 3? Okay. 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So how many numbers we can create? 6. So this is one of the way. Also you can solve this question as we have to make 3-digit number when we have three numbers are available. Now look at this. To fill this place, you have how many choices? You can put 1, you can put 2, you can put 3. So you have 3 choices. Is your task completed? No. Okay, so you have to fill other 2 places as well. So till the time your task is not completed, you have to keep on multiplying. Now focus on second place. So for second place, we have how many choices? Suppose that we guys have used 2. So we are left with 2 choices, means we can go with 3 or we can go with 1. Okay, here repetition is not allowed. Okay, you have to use unique elements. So for this place, we have 2 choices. Is your task completed? No. So you have to multiply. Suppose you have used 3. Now for the last place, you have how many choices? Only 1. You have to put 1 at any cost. So again, there are 6 ways. Okay. So can I say that if we will have 3 different letters, we will have 3 factorial ways to arrange them? Now look at this. If we will have similar letters, means repeated letters, suppose that it is 1, 2, 2. Then we will create how many choices? How many new numbers? Can I make 1, 2, 2? Yes. Now can I interchange these two with this two? No. It's not unique number. Correct? No, it will become still it will become 122 only. Can I go with 2, 1, 2? Yes, you can do that. Can I go with 2, 2, 1? Yes. Now can you make any other number? No. So if two numbers are repeated, you can only make 3 new numbers out of those 3 numbers. Okay. So look at this. Suppose that you have to arrange n different letters in n place. Arrange n different letters in n different place. So you can write n factorial. Okay, means for first place you have n choices, for second place you have n minus 1 choice, third place n minus 2 choices, and so on till 1. Okay, now look at this. This time we have to arrange n letters, out of which, means look at this, arrange n letters out of which P, Q, R of three kinds are repeating. Okay, means look at this. So suppose that there are n letters. Okay, so look at this. I have used A, B, C, D, 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 D. Okay, then E, E, E. Okay, then F, 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 F. Okay, so the idea is, suppose that all together there are n letters, out of which D is being used P times. Okay, E is being used Q times, and F is being used R times. So in this case, you have to write number of arrangement as n factorial by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial. Okay, and it is not necessarily true that it will be 3 only. It can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can be anything. It can be 1 as well. Okay, is that clear? So this is the thing. Now look at this. Now focus on this question. So we have the letters of the word arrange. So A, R, R, A, N, G, E. So you have to arrange these letters. Okay, so A, R, R, A, N, G, E. Now look at this. Be very careful. So the idea is, you cannot alter the relative position of vowels and consonant. So look at the vowels. So it is A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels and remaining things are consonants. Now look at this. So you have to put at this place, it was the place of A. It was place of A. It was place of E. So this place is for vowels and remaining place is for consonants. Correct? Now focus on this part. For the place number 1, suppose just focus on required number. Just focus on the first place, this. Okay? So for this place, you have how many choices? You can put this A, you can put this A, you can put this E. So for this place, you have 3 choices. Correct? Is your task completed? No. So you have to keep on multiplying. Okay? Now focus on this place. So for this place, you have how many choices? Suppose that out of these 3, A, and E, you have used 1. Okay, so still you are left with 2 choices. So for this place, you have 2 choices. Is your task completed? No. So you have to multiply. Okay. Now focus on the last position. Okay. So for last position, again you have how many choices? 1. Okay. Now look at this. Now focus on this place. You have 2, 2, 4. So for this place, you have 4 choices. For this place, you have 3 choices. For this place, you have 2 choices. And for this place, you have 1 choice. Okay. So this is the arrangement of consonant and vowels. Now if you'll observe, we guys have A twice, R twice, means among all these words A is being repeated twice and R is being repeated twice. So for A, because it is repeated twice, so you have to divide the number of numbers by 2 factorial. Okay, and also because of R, which is being repeated twice, you have to divide the whole number of numbers by 2 factorial. Correct? So 2 factorial is 2, 2 factorial is 2, so 2, 2 and 4. Okay, so the answer, the required number is 3 times 3 9, 2 times 2 4, so it is 36. So there are 36 words with or without meaning we can create using the letters of the word arrange without altering the relative position of consonant and vowels. I hope the idea is clear.